Welcome to our channel. Join us as we uncover the 19 mind-blowing jobs of the future and prepare to be amazed. Picture this. A decade from now, our professional landscape will be transformed by technology in ways we can't even imagine. We're talking about a whole new breed of career paths that will emerge, defying conventional norms and taking us into uncharted territory. So without further ado, let's dive into this exhilarating journey and discover the 19 potential jobs that will shape our future in ways we can only begin to fathom. Number 1. Memory wipers. In the near future, scientific advancements are expected to reach remarkable heights. Imagine a world where memories can be precisely located and manipulated in the human brain. Scientists will possess the ability to erase or suppress memories if desired. If you carry a burden of a traumatic event or simply wish to bid farewell to a specific memory, you can seek solace in the services of a memory wiper. They will grant you the freedom to break free from the shackles of your past. Additionally, another breakthrough awaits us: the era of organ makers. Humans will possess the ability to create organs, revolutionizing healthcare and potentially saving countless lives. Exciting times lie ahead as science pushes the boundaries of what we once thought possible. Number 2. Organ makers. Prepare to be amazed. Scientists have already accomplished the incredible feat of creating a functional human arm in a matter of years. But they won't stop there. Brace yourself for the future where we will manufacture fully operational organs using cutting-edge techniques like advanced stem cell research, 3D printing, and even more groundbreaking methods. Gone are the days when a failing heart could spell the end of your life. The era of life-saving organ replacements is upon us, promising a brighter and healthier future for us all. Number 3. Drone engineers and operators. Get ready for a rhythm-packed future. Drones are set to take on a crucial role in emergency services, securities, agriculture, and society at large. But that's not all. Brace yourself for the drone revolution. As drone technology keeps advancing, it will become an integral part of our daily lives, with endless new applications emerging from design and construction to programming, repair, and operation. The demand for skilled drone engineers and operators will soar in the coming years, so beat the drums of change and get ready to soar with the drones. Number 4. Drone airspace controllers. As drones dominate the sky, maintaining order is crucial. Enter the drone airspace controllers. Just like aircraft controllers today, they will ensure smooth operations and prevent chaos. However, brace yourself for the imminent rise of AI technology. Soon enough, these controllers might be replaced by intelligent algorithms. Drones will communicate with each other, transmitting their locations to avoid collision and accidents. So get ready for a future where the skies are managed by a harmonious symphony of AI-guided drones, revolutionizing the way we navigate the aerial realm. Number 5. Extinct species revivalist. Prepare for a mind-blowing resurrection. Scientists are hard at work devising ingenious ways to bring back extinct species. These daring extinct species revivalists will lead the charge in utilizing inventive and innovative methods to resurrect animals that were once lost to the ages. Their pivotal role lies in recreating extinct species and reintegrating them into their natural habitats. Get ready to witness the incredible revival of species long gone, as science unveils a new era of ecological restoration and awe-inspiring biodiversity. Number 6. 3D printing chef. Step into the future of food. Picture this: skilled individuals harnessing the power of 3D printing technology to craft mind-blowing recipes and create exquisite meals. With their expertise in design, taste, and the art of fusion, they'll seamlessly blend the capabilities of AI with the components of a 3D food printer. And that's where the 3D printing shop comes in. Get ready to indulge in a culinary adventure like never before, as these visionary shops bring forth a world of gastronomic wonders, where flavors and shapes intertwine to redefine what's possible on your plate. Bon appetit in the world of tomorrow. Number 7. Mind transfer specialist. Prepare for a mind-bending revolution. The fusion of neuroscience and technology is paving the way for an extraordinary future. Imagine the unthinkable: the potential to transfer the human mind into a digital or quantum-based computational system, or even another biological neural network. This breakthrough could unlock a realm of limitless possibilities for the human mind. So brace yourself for a whole new world of extraordinary capabilities and unimaginable frontiers as science blurs the boundaries between the biological and the digital. Get ready to embark on an epic journey into the uncharted territories of the human mind. Number 8. Commercial Space Pilot. Buckle up for the cosmic adventure of a lifetime. Space travel is rapidly transforming from a dream into a tangible reality. In the next decade or two, it will no longer be limited to a select few. Get ready to embark on a journey beyond Earth's boundaries as space travel becomes accessible to everyone. But remember, venturing into space will demand not just courage, but also the incredible infrastructure and technology designed to make these journeys possible. So gear up for a future where the final frontier becomes our ultimate destination. Number 9. AI Ethicist. Embarking on the path of ethical AI. According to a Deloitte survey, a staggering 32% of AI executives listed the ethical risk of AI as one of their top concerns. Enter the pilots of AI ethicists. These ethical navigators will lead data scientists and developers to construct AI systems that prioritize societal benefit. Together, they will ensure that AI is built and deployed in an ethical manner, shaping a future where artificial intelligence becomes a powerful force for good. So fasten your seatbelts as we navigate the ethical frontiers of AI, paving the way for a brighter and more responsible technological era. Number 10. 3D Printing Architects and Engineers. 3D printing has firmly established itself as a cornerstone for the fourth industrial revolution, and its evolution shows no signs of slowing down. As our needs diversify, the world of printing will expand beyond imagination. From printing food to clothing, architects and engineers will play an increasingly vital role in shaping this transformative landscape. So gear up for a world where the power to print transcends boundaries, enabling us to materialize our wildest visions. The future is at our fingertips, ready to be printed into reality. Number 11. Nanomatics Medic. Unlocking the secrets of the microcosm. Countless medical issues can be traced back to a single cell or a tiny group of cells. This realization has created a demand for healthcare professionals with the skills to operate on the nano level. These remarkable individuals possess the power to develop advanced diagnostic systems and monitor treatments with precision. As we delve deeper into the intricacies of the human body, their expertise becomes increasingly invaluable. So brace yourself for a future where the tiniest components hold the key to unraveling and solving our most complex medical challenges. Number 12. Personal Data Broker. Reclaiming your data your way. In today's digital age, personal information is often shared unknowingly, especially with third-party firms while using platforms like Twitter or Google. But envision a future where you regain control of your data. Enter the Personal Data Broker. With this game changer, you can choose to keep your data private and never sell it, or opt to sell it to the highest bidder on your own terms. Your personal data broker becomes your ally, negotiating with advertisers and companies interested in acquiring your data, ensuring it is sold for maximum value, if that's what you desire. It's time to seize the power and take charge of your data in the digital landscape. Number 13. Tele Surgery. Surgical wonders await. Picture this: being operated on by a surgeon who is hundreds of miles away or even in a different country. In the next decade, this could become a reality through robot-assisted surgery. Telesurgery aims to enable surgeons to operate on patients remotely, with the same precision and sensitivity as if they were physically present. How, you ask? Robotic manipulators controlled by skilled clinicians take the lead. And what's the ultimate objective? Less pain, more precise access to organs, and groundbreaking advancements in surgical care. So brace yourself for a future where distance is no longer a barrier to receiving top-notch medical expertise. The world of remote surgical marvels await. Number 14. Human-Machine Teaming Manager. Unstoppable rise of robots. The pandemic has not hindered but rather accelerated the integration of robots in our workplaces. Human-machine teaming is the future, and managers will play a vital role in ensuring seamless collaboration between humans and robots. Enter the Human-Machine Teaming Manager, a future HR role that combines the strengths of robots and AI algorithms with the unique assets brought by human employees. This hybrid environment demands a professional comfortable with orchestrating the partnership between machines and humans to achieve common business goals. Get ready for a future where human-machine collaboration takes center stage, driving innovation and productivity to new heights. Number 15. Augmented Reality Architect. The Augmented Reality Architect's mission is to craft and construct the future of AR experiences. Their responsibilities encompass designing captivating AR encounters, coding intricate functionalities, calibrating equipment, and tailoring content for personalized immersion. Get ready to witness a world where reality blends seamlessly with digital overlays as these visionary architects shape the landscape of augmented reality, offering awe-inspiring and personalized encounters like never before. Number 16. Personal Memory Curator. Journey through cherished memories. The role of a personal memory curator is to weave together cohesive virtual environments for customers to immerse themselves in. By consulting with patients and stakeholders, they gather specific details to recreate a particular time, place, or event in virtual reality. These immersive experiences serve a vital purpose: combating memory loss. Brace yourself for a world where the past becomes alive, as personal memory curators craft transformative journeys that reconnect individuals with their most treasured moments, preserving the power of memories. Number 17. Weather Modification Police. Unleashing weather's wild side. Throughout history, humanity has attempted to manipulate weather patterns like cloud seeding. But if future technologies grant us the power to alter weather with unintended consequences elsewhere, we'll need law enforcement to maintain order. Introducing the Weather Modification Police, the guardians who will regulate and ensure responsible weather manipulation. Brace yourself for a future where the forces of nature and the guardians of order danced in a delicate balance, shaping a world where weather manipulation is wielded responsibly for the benefit of all. Number 18. Self-Driving Car Mechanic. Revving towards the future of transportation. Self-driving cars are destined to dominate our roads, replacing traditional vehicles. However, this revolution sparks a need for a new breed of car mechanic. Future mechanics will possess a radically different skill set compared to their predecessors. They'll master advanced software programming and data management to tackle the intricate systems of autonomous vehicles. Get ready for a world where mechanics become tech-savvy wizards, keeping the wheels of self-driving cars turning smoothly, and embracing the digital frontier of locomotive maintenance and the future driven by technology. These are the mechanics of tomorrow. Number 19. Space Tourism Operator. Embark on the ultimate cosmic adventure. Space travel operators are on a mission to make the wonders of space accessible to all. With their expertise, they guarantee safety, reliability, and most importantly, affordability for everyone. Get ready for a range of thrilling options, from suborbital flights to extended stays on the International Space Station, tailored to fit your budget. The universe is calling, and space tourism operators are here to make your dreams of exploring the cosmos a reality. Buckle up for an extraordinary journey beyond Earth's bounds. And there you have it. We've journeyed through the incredible world of possibilities and discovered the 19 mind-blowing jobs that lie ahead. Don't miss out on our future episodes as we continue to unravel the secrets of tomorrow's careers. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Get ahead of the game, embrace the future, and together, let's unlock the door to an extraordinary world of opportunities. Thank you for joining us on this mind-expanding adventure.